Hey guys, just a quick one. These are a few of the rigs that I actually make up myself. I'm outside, so just bear with me because the light, it's a bit like but I've got them hung up here. These are 4 of the rigs that I make myself. I just want you to think, have a look at them, see what you think. Now the hook sizes do come in different sizes. I've got from size 4 up to what, size 5.0. So just want you to think, see what you think. So here you go guys. This one here, it's a, come on, get clear. It's a pulley rig. It's an up and over rig. Going down. Yeah, these are all on 4-ounce leads that I've made myself, by the way. But it's a up and over rig. This one's just got a singular size 2.0 hook on. And then we got the pulley penal. I can also do pulley. Similar sort of style. So yeah, that's your pulley panel. And then coming to this one, this is just a scratching rig. Now with my scratching rigs, well, most of my rigs, as you can probably tell with that one, I do put a release clip on for the hook lengths. So this one is going down to a size 1, so it's a 2 hook size 1, just scratching rig. All of these are all on 4.0 leads. And then I've got this one, which is a 1 up, 1 slip down. This one's also both on 1.0s. So you've got the cascade swivel there, but released, you've got the one there, and then your bottom hook ends up below the weight. So I just want to know what you guys think of these rigs. They're all on £60 main body, £30 hook lengths. Well, apart from that one's on a 20 hook length. Nearly all the rigs that I do are on 50-30. So I just want you, let me know in the comments below, see what you think of the rigs that I actually make. Cheers guys, speak to you soon, catch you all on the next one.